how do British people make other people feel comfortable in their presence? And how can you go about doing the same if you are coming to the UK, if you're going to be living in the UK, or if you're going to be communicating regularly with British people? And I would like to share just a few techniques that British people will use to make other people feel comfortable in their presence. And let's look at the reasons why we actually do that. And I think it's something which is very much ingrained in our culture. And there is a belief, really, a pervading belief within our culture that we are all, to a degree, equals. And by that, I mean that I am no better than you and you are no better than me. And when we're talking to each other, we like to show that and demonstrate that in different ways. And I think one of the ways in which we do that is by laughing at ourselves. And how can we laugh at ourselves in a safe way, whereby we've not got everybody laughing at us in a cruel and nasty way, but it's more like a nice type of a laughter, a fun type of a laughter. And I think one way is to share a misfortune. So, for example, if something bad has happened to you on a particular day, don't forget it, remember it, and then share it with somebody. So, for example, maybe you've made a cup of coffee and you've spilt a cup of coffee on your computer all over the keyboard. Or what happened to me recently was I walked outside of the front door of my house and I was literally looking up to the sky and I was hit on the forehead by bird dirt. And obviously, it's a misfortune, but other people, no doubt, would probably find that quite amusing. And when we share a misfortune, what we're actually doing is we're saying, hey, look, I'm human. I have these troubles and misfortunes just like you do. And people will lean into that and be more comfortable in your presence as a result of that. Also, in the UK, we tend to downplay success. So nobody really likes somebody that is particularly boastful. You might have done incredibly well in a particular area, in a particular field. You might have earned a load of money. You might have done very, very well. You might have won a competition. But people don't like to really sort of ram it down somebody else's throats. They like to downplay success. And people will warm to people if they don't feel inferior to them. Because if you are sort of being too boastful about something, then you're automatically, there's an undercurrent of you saying, look, I'm better than you. I won. I've been more successful than you have. And what you're really doing is you're belittling other people. And as I mentioned before, we like to level the playing field. We're all equal here. Okay, maybe I've done better than you, but I'm not going to, shout it from the rooftops. I'm going to downplay that success. So you would get some typical expressions. For example, could have been better. Oh, it was nothing. Those types of expressions are quite common in the UK. And I think what we also do is to compare our success to somebody else, for example. And in life, there is always somebody better than you. So you can say, well, yes, okay, it was all right. But if you look at Mr. Whoever, for example, they just did so much better than me. Another way in which you can make people feel comfortable in your presence is to complain about yourself. And this is something that I do quite frequently without even thinking about it. So, for example, I've got a terrible sense of direction. And I will regularly say to somebody, I've got a terrible sense of direction. There we are. I'm complaining about myself. I'm a normal person, and that makes other people feel quite comfortable. So when people are more comfortable in your presence, then you become automatically more approachable. You'll be able to expand your network of friends, which is quite important if you're coming here to the UK for the first time. And generally speaking, you will settle in a lot faster. So I hope this video has given you some ideas about how you can go about making people feel more comfortable in your presence when you are in the UK, or if you are speaking with British people in particular. And if you would like to listen to some more of my videos on British culture and how we go about using the British language right here in the UK, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Or alternatively, please feel free to leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you straight away. Thank you so much for listening again. And I look forward to speaking to you again in the next one.